I found a YouTube channel making thousands of dollars a month with AI animal videos, and I copied the entire process using nothing but 3 free AI tools. No camera, no editing skills, no experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a real YouTube channel live with your first video published and ready to start earning. Let's go. The first thing we need is a viral idea. Instead of guessing what people want to watch, I open YouTube and search for AI-generated animal shorts that are already getting lots of views. When I find a successful video, I visit the creator's channel to understand the overall style instead of copying a single video. Then I take a screenshot of the entire channel because we'll use it as inspiration for AI, not to copy it, but to learn what works and create something unique. Next, I opened Claude and created an account. Takes less than a minute. I dropped in that screenshot and asked one simple question. I want to make a video like this, in my own style. Give me a prompt to generate a storyboard. Claude wrote the prompt for me. I took it straight into ChatGPT. This is the trick. I'm not writing prompts myself. I'm using one AI to write prompts for the other AI. Claude thinks strategy. ChatGPT builds the content. Now I copy Claude's prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT starts generating the storyboard and creative direction. To improve the results, I go back to Claude and ask it to help refine ChatGPT's response. I repeat this process a few times until both AI tools are working together to produce a much better result than either one alone. Finally, I ask ChatGPT to generate a single storyboard image containing every scene along with descriptions of each scene. This storyboard will become the visual guide for our video. Now the fun part. I opened Google Flow. It gives you 50 free video generations a day and created a new project. I uploaded my storyboard. Because this tool doesn't handle human characters well, I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to break my story into 10-second scenes, written specifically for this tool, keeping the same character consistent across every clip, with voiceover built in. Then it was just repeat, repeat, repeat. Copy the scene script from ChatGPT, drop it into Google Flow along with the storyboard, hit generate. Scene 1, done.
The little stray
Done in
searched
seconds.
for
Scene 2, done. Scene 3, done. 3 separate 10-second clips, 1 continuous story. Instead of downloading every scene separately and editing them in another program, Google Flow allows us to combine them directly. I open the first clip. Then I use the plus button to add the second clip. After reviewing everything, I add the final scene as well. Now the complete video is finished, and I simply download it to my computer. The video is ready. Now we need a YouTube channel. I ask ChatGPT to suggest a viral channel name, description, logo idea, and banner. While ChatGPT generates the branding, I open YouTube and create a brand new channel. I paste the suggested name, customize the handle, and then upload the AI-generated logo. Next, I upload the banner. Finally, I copy the channel description from ChatGPT into YouTube Studio and publish the customization. Within minutes, we have a professional-looking AI YouTube channel. Now it's time to publish our first short. Inside YouTube Studio, I click Upload Video and select the file we just created. While it's uploading, I ask ChatGPT to generate several click-worthy titles based on our video's script. I choose my favorite title and paste it into YouTube Studio. Then I copy the video description and hashtags generated by ChatGPT. After that, I continue through YouTube's upload process, confirm that the video isn't made for kids, make it public, and click publish. A few seconds later, the short is live on YouTube. I open the video, watch part of it to confirm everything looks correct, leave a like, and finally visit the channel page to make sure everything is set up properly. That's it. One video, one channel, 0 filming, built entirely with free AI tools. Want the exact prompts I used with Claude and ChatGPT? Comment prompts below. And if this saved you time, subscribe. I'm building this channel in public.